Here's how you can search for emails by sender on the iPad. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you get inside your mail app, it might be the official one from Apple, but even other third-party mail apps, it usually works the same, that you should be able to locate the search button. In the official mail app, it's in the top right corner indicated by the magnifying glass. So you can click there and you can just type in whatever you remember about the email, right? So here you type in any clue of, it might be a title or the body, subject, sender, whatever. But for example, when I type in the word Facebook, some emails from Facebook, you have to find or click on it, start searching for the person, for the sender, and actually click on the option which has like the person icon next to it. Because when you click on that, it will basically filter by the sender, so it will not filter or show the messages which contain the word Facebook, but only those which have been sent by the sender named Facebook, right? So that is the important part. You have to click on the suggestion which has the person icon next to it. So that's kind of how it works, because other than that, you also, as you can see, have the ability to have the subject containing that word or the attachment or whatever, but you want to just click on it, the person there, and that's how it's going to work. So I really hope that I can help you out. It's really that simple. So let me know what you think. Let me know if it worked, and I hopefully get to see you later in the future content as well.